Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anand Babu, orthopedic surgeon at Care Hospital, Mushirabad. Today we talk about regenerative cell therapy. What is regenerative cell therapy? Due to some injuries or due to aging, some of the joints or the bones will get damaged or they have some kind of inflammation going on in the joints. So to repair these tissues, damaged tissues, cells are isolated from the patient's own body, from the blood or from the bone marrow or from the cartilage, and they are grown in the lab, and again they will be injected into the damaged tissues to regenerate the new cartilage, new bone or new tendon. So coming to application in orthopedics in different various conditions. First and foremost is the hip joint. In the hip joint, there is a condition called osteonecrosis of the hip joint, wherein the ball of the hip joint usually gets its blood supply gets damaged, and the blood supply of the ball gets damaged, and there will be death of the bone. There will be depth of the bone in the ball of the hip joint. So this depth of the bone causes pain in the hip joint, and this can be in the early stages of the osteonecrosis of the hip joint. You can do cell therapy treatment with bone cells. First of all, what we do is we take 4 ml of bone marrow from the pelvic bone and send it to the lab, and the lab will culture and expand the cells in the laboratory, and the cells are expanded and sent to the operation room, and on the day of operation the cells are cultured cells from the lab will come to the operation theater, and then what we do is we will remove a core of bone in the hip joint and remove the dead portion of the bone from the hip joint, and inject the cultured bone cells into the damaged area, thereby promoting the repair of the native bone cells. So this application can be done in the early stages of the osteonecrosis of the hip, where there is no collapse of the femoral head. And secondly, the application of the cartilage cell transplantation, that is called autologous chondrocyte implantation. So in the knee joint, due to various injuries, a small portion of the cartilage, the blue area is cartilage, which covers the joints, bone in the joints, and forms a smooth gliding layer for the easy movement of the joint. And sometimes due to injuries, there will be loss of the cartilage. Small portions of the cartilage will be lost. So to replace the cells in the lost portion of the cartilage, what we do is, in the first stage, we take a small tic-tac size small bone biopsy in the first stage with keyhole surgery, and take this small chip of the cartilage and send it to the lab, wherein the lab will expand the number of cells to some million cells, and they will send it back to the operating room. In the second stage, in the operating room, we clean the area which is damaged and slowly inject the cells into the damaged area, the cultured cells sent from the lab, and these cultured cells, over a period of time, they mature and form the new cartilage. This is called autologous chondrocyte implantation. Coming to the other growth factor concentrate therapy. Growth factor concentrate therapy is commonly applied in tendon problems, plantar fasciitis, and early stages of osteoarthritis of the knee joint. In age-related osteoarthritis of the knee joints, where there is wear and tear, the cells from the human peripheral blood, from a vein, they will harvest blood from the vein and they centrifuge the blood and take the growth factor rich cells from the peripheral blood and they form a growth factor concentrate. This growth factor concentrate is rich in platelets having growth factors. So these cells are injected into the knee joint, which is wear worn in the early stages of osteoarthritis to relieve pain, and also in conditions like plantar fasciitis, where in the heel there will be a sprain in the stretch in the ligament with inflammation in the heel, the near to the heel bone. So this is called plantar fasciitis. Sometimes there will be an overgrowth of bone called bone spur, calcaneal spur formation. So in these cases, the growth factor concentrate will help to heal the damaged tissues in the heel bone. Similarly, in case of tennis elbow, the so-called tennis elbow, where you feel the pain in the outer aspect of the elbow, where there is a degeneration of the tendon because of the repeated overuse of the tendon in the elbow. So here also we take the growth factor concentrate rich in platelets and growth factors and inject them and to stimulate a repair response and relieve the pain in the lateral epicondylitis or the tennis elbow condition.
We'll be covering all topics which commonly affect patients on a day-to-day basis.
For more this type of doctor advices or opinion or any other things,
దయచేసి డాక్టర్స్ అడ్వైస్ ఛానల్
లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి.
సబ్స్క్రైబ్
to this channel, Doctor's Advice.
10 మందికి ఉపయోగపడేలాగా చూడండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.